If you're in the marketplace for a new AC unit, then you're most likely knowledgeable about roughly how much you'll spend on a central air conditioning system. If you have a routine of checking out expert testimonials before you buy, then you understand that, if you only bought products that didn't obtain adverse testimonials. Energy performance is greater than simply a buzz term utilized by proponents of the eco-friendly motion. It's an idea that, when applied to central air systems, while saving cash on the purchase cost of an air conditioner might be your initial factor to consider towards arriving at the most effective air conditioning systems, Paschall Plumbing Heating Cooling is always here to serve you. Call us now. Paschall Plumbing Heating Cooling 775-825-6500 paschallplus.com